I gotta get ready for a harvest. It's raining like a motherfucker, but look, I got you guys covered. Whole time, put on my shoes. I got my white bucket this time and my church basket for harvest. Oh! Yo, hey, and fat people, look, we out here. I'm in the verge of trying to harvest right now. You know what I'm saying? I got a lot of lettuce that don't grow in an amount of days. As y'all can see, I got beans on here long as fuck. And I got the squash. But I'm gonna have to get back with y'all because it's raining out here and it's dangerous. I gotta go. I ain't think it was gonna be like this, y'all, on the real.